What's up, guys? Let's unpack a new Fidget toy that I purchased. Uh, okay, it's called Fancy Cubes, and there's some instruction manuals how to open it. Okay, here is the package. It comes in the box like this. Okay, let's throw it away. Let's see the toy now. It's a pretty transparent, nothing else, nothing fancy. Okay, let's open it up. So, okay, almost there. Okay, so here it is. I guess when you eat, the people who made this, were very careful. They put a dedicated, foam there, to, not to accidentally press during the delivery. That is why, perhaps. And I ordered it in the frosted. There is also another option called black and white. But I ordered it in frosted, so I like it. I like this frosted finishing of this keycap. I guess I have to now remove the lid to finally open the function, the Fidget keycap chain. Okay, this tiny minor thing is like things to details, really, making me satisfying purchase. Okay, let's do it. Let's press this finally. Oh man, this is a clicky sound. That's the fidgety experience you will get, whenever you're carrying it in your pockets or wherever you're going. It will be with your keys, of course. Wait a second, let me bring my keys. Okay, here it is. Here's my keys. Some of my keys are here. I had previously a keychain, but it was damaged somehow, and I didn't use for a year or so. So now, as I love keyboards myself, I love mechanical keyboards and any kind of keyboards. So why not a keycap, fidget keycap keychain? I thought of myself. So here it is. It looks very minimalistic. You can, I think, pull it up. Yes. Okay, but I don't see any LEDs here. I don't know how it works, or is it working or not. I don't know that. Okay, whatever. Is it? Oh, I think it's working. Maybe. Oh, yeah, it is working. Maybe due to the light, it's not showing it. Let me turn off the light. Okay. Okay, now let's how shall I do it? I should turn off the, I think I have to turn off the flash LED as well. It will be okay. Let's pause it here a little bit. So here you go again. It's totally dark right now. Let's see the power here. Okay, I think the battery is very low, compared to what I have. I assume the battery, the lighting would be a little bit better, but maybe the one they have sent me has less light. Okay, now I got it. I think I have to press it a little bit slower. Okay, when I pressed it little bit slower, there is a light. I can see the light. Okay, I don't know how it works. I guess it works. Okay, now it is totally gone. I might have to change the battery. I think I will tell the provider, the person who delivered me, the page I have ordered it from. I will inform them that the light is sometimes going away. Okay, now it is. I am not sure what's going here. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. but now you can see it is lighting very well. Maybe it needed some clicks perhaps. Okay, now it's working very well, and I'm happy about it that it finally works. You're able to see something. Okay, now it's gone again. Okay, I don't know if it's working or not, but it's all right. I think it just needed some push. That's how it works. You can see red, green, blue, RGB. That's what's happening here. And it's a let's turn on the light again, guys. Wait. So that was it, guys. I guess um, I am liking it. I am liking it so much because it's transparent. The bottom, you can see what's going inside. There's a battery there. You can change it, I think, after removing the keycaps and the switch, perhaps with a if you have a switch puller lying around. Let me show you as well. Switch keycap puller looks like this. Okay, you can use it. I know after you remove that, remove the keycaps. You can use this switch keycap puller to to remove the switch as well, and then you can change the battery when you need it. When the battery is power is low, or you somehow uh, maybe the battery is gone, the power is gone totally, you can change it. So that's pretty cool. I just love it. I love the way it looks, and how minimalist it is. uh, it just looks good. Let me attach it with the keychain. That's the whole purpose of it, to buy this thing. Okay, nice. Now how it looks, looking just gorgeous, like a mini diamond hanging in my pocket, because of this crystal thing. It cost me around $5 to $6, and maybe you can get it more cheaper, but this is a good price, and this is a very good thing to play with when you're bored. That's all about it, guys. Again, thank you for watching.